Hey guys, welcome everyone back to 18 plus trader channel. And okay, so if you haven't subscribed me, please go ahead and subscribe my channel before getting lively updates. Okay, so last if you look up at my last video, you would be able to understand. I have given two levels where market breaking it below, and you will be able to get on an 1:1 ratio or 1:2 ratio. But then exactly what market did is something surprise, which is market gave 1:5 ratio on Friday, right? Okay, so now looking at the Monday scenario, okay, so this post, if you look up, I have already posted on my threads page, okay, that there are three gaps which is yet to be filled by the market, okay. When the first gap filled, I have posted this, and for you to get a lively update, you can also get here, and you would be also able to see that, right? I have posted this. Market is yet to fill the three gaps, in my threads page. So if you are not following me over there, also no problem. Just get to my LinkedIn. Just get to my threads, and you would be able to find it over there. Got it? Cool. So coming to the next one, right? What is that? One moment, guys. So now coming back to this chart, okay, I would wish to tell you things. Okay, so Monday's opening is clearly stating that you know we are opening somewhere around 300 to 500 points down, and market will come here and fill the gap. And from here, there are chances market might take a support in an early time frame at 22,374, and then as per this diagram, you would also be able to see in trend reversal again back to 23,200, where there is another gap left out over there. Got it? So this is on an hour. You can also see this on and clearly on 1 hour time frame. This gives you a better understanding why the market should return there. And if you have further doubts, you can also ping me on the WhatsApp link given in the description. I am available for an one-on-one free mentoring also. Right. And coming back, you will also be able to see this on a previous chart history. This is how you will also start reading charts slowly. Okay, so now coming back, we have one more cause, okay, which I would tell you this week coming, that is next week starting April 6 7, we would also be in a position to find, are we on a sell on rise pattern. Okay, why I am telling you this? Okay, the market last week, if you have followed me again, sorry, now I am new to YouTube, and most of my analysis are in threads only. Okay, so you would also be able to see it over here, whereas I have drawn this trend line, and now market has broken this trend line, whereas I am not able to find a good retracement happening in this zone. There is no good retracement happening in this zone, right? If you look up at this chart, market has not retraced here properly. This is not a convincing retracement for me on an hourly time frame. So wherever the market opens, I believe market has to come to this trend line retest. That is with, why I'm saying market will fill this gap and again come here is, there are possibilities where, since the retracement has not happened for the sell on raise, currently we are in sell on raise, but then I will also wait for my short positions, where the market might come to this trend line and then reverse here better. But then considering the global situation, we would also be able to see a gap up, gap down opening somewhere around 22,600 to 22,500 is what people are expecting. But then I am leaving it all the possibilities to Monday's morning. So from here, coming here and then retracement can happen anywhere, with short covering or any possibilities are happen. We do have all the possibilities in the market with the current global trend, because every technicals are failing over here, right? Okay, so now coming back to an daily analysis, right? I believe this has given you a clear idea. So what is daily analysis saying? Right, again, we have clearly formed an, I was also telling on my previous video, there are chances where we might be going for an head and, this pattern is completely looking as an head and shoulders pattern, right? So we all were thinking market is going to be in head and shoulders pattern by reversing here, and then the further decisive moves will be coming out, right? But then with this global indications, and with the so-called Trump indicator, we are going to see this gap down opening somewhere at 22,600, right? One moment, guys. So somewhere around 22,600 on a daily time frame. Sorry. So 22,600 again, if you look up at the daily time frame also, the market is going down to fill up the gap which is left out here on every time frame, because and this head and shoulders pattern has become invalid because the market has already broke below the trend line, and this gap down is also indicating that head and shoulders pattern is becoming invalid. So now I will wait for the Monday's decision, Monday 1 hour close or an hourly close, to understand where are we closing. Okay, so now coming back to our analysis again, right, as I told you, coming back to this 15 minutes analysis, which is going to be a crucial role, for all the intraday traders, right? So now every gap down opening, this gap down opening is eliminating all the views. So Monday, if you ask me, I would wait for an pure reversal, or I would wait for an confirmation in the first 30 minutes to 1 hour candle, whereas I could find a support here and market should reverse from here. And where it is gonna reverse is something the biggest question is, right? From here, market is opening up here, there are multiple possibilities where the market might reverse. Where the market might reverse, on my first probability would be setting up an I mean, drawing up a trend line and see from where the market is gonna reverse and where are we gonna reverse on Monday. This is one probability. Opening up here and now breaking up this trend line is the crucial thing. Market has come down and is already opening here, and from here, are we heading towards 21,967, or are we closing above the trend line, is something which has to be very crucial. And most of the case, if you analyze the chart every day when the market has opened very far, we have never seen moves for the entire day. So I would recommend everyone to wait for an hourly close and decide which side the market is going, and then we'll go on and trade. And also coming to another probability, what are the possibilities of Monday, right? On an hourly close, if you look up at the hourly time frame, market is again opening. There is another trend line which we have to draw on an hourly base. Hourly base, as I said you earlier, market has given a breakdown below the trend line, and market, I believe, has to, there is no proper retouch happened, and with market opening at a gap down of 593, market should go for another movement to go over here and then retrace and then fall. If that is the case, I am on a sell on rise for the entire week. So it's better, watch out this decision, wait for an hourly close or a 30 minutes close, and then go ahead and decide which side are we going at with the market. Got it? Cool. So now getting and heading back towards, our again 15 minute chart. 15-minute charts without any opening, because the market indicates that we are opening somewhere around 300 to 400 points gap down, and from here we would be able to find the support only at 20 through 573 zones. As I said, from here, if the market is reversing, then it's a good sign for us. If not, I would wait for another support taking nearby and then go for an entry. Cool. So I am not sure how many of you are following me on my threads, where I do give all this analysis has been written over there already. Since I am new here, I am learning also. And also I have a link given in the description where you would be able to see all the entries which I have taken, just given it for your reference with one lot, right? And what is the money that I have made in the last 3 months of time period just with one lot. And I have also given all the links below where you would be able to see that. And if you wanted to have a communication with me, understanding how do I give all these things, I am open to have a conversation, and you can click the link and join me, ping me over there directly. Cool guys, thank you. Have a good day, trading day tomorrow. See you all.